Maduong' ma Nairobi Nakuru, duka no ero koro biro bedo bad duka mar Naivas mar 84 e pacho kaendi mangima, kendo bende obiro bedo duka mar adek e boma ma Naivasha. Kolose wi okang' ma kamano ero, CEO mano ero mar Naivas, Migosi Willy Kimani, owacho ni yawo bad Naivas machielo Naivasha kono ero biro konyo e medo timo ohala makare kaluwore ni okang' ma kamano ero gigeto godo jowuotho mabiro wuok Nairobi kadhi e gwenge eko mag Imbo mar Kenya kanyakla kod Rift Valley magin godo gadieri ni biro nyiepo e dukano e kinde mabende gitimo wuodhegi makamago eko.
Is Willy Kimani, the Chief Commercial Officer of Naivas Supermarket. Quite happy that today we open our 84th store. This 84th store is not only passionate about us but we're also very happy about it because we also open our own first safari center. This safari center is a new concept and a quick journey, because by the end of this particular year we believe that we're going to be having 10,000 employees and quickly heading to a journey of being a $1 billion US company. When you shop with us, we're giving you value, we're giving you freshness, we're giving you all those things at a particular jest and all. We'd also like to tell our customers that before long we'll also be doing a whole big new fresh concept, not fresh concept, a clearance sale very soon. We'll be welcoming you to do a clearance sale at least towards the end of the year, where we'll actually welcome you to sample our big electronics items and so please prepare ourselves for our clearance sale later on in the year, in the month.